Introducing the 2008 Infiniti EX35. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Infiniti infused the interior with top-shelf amenities, such as front and rear reading lights, a trip computer, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and power seats. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Infiniti ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.